What's up, guys? We got this Camry. We're gonna knock it out real quick. I already got the wheels with some wheel cleaner on there. Y'all can see the inside. Needs a good little vacuum. I'm gonna hit the cup holder area and dust the dash. Y'all can see how dusty it is. And they can't even really get the dust off of it. It's been a little too long. Gonna hit the door jambs, get those nice and cleaned out. Go ahead and pop the trunk. Gonna hit this gas cap area. Get all this stuff cleaned out of there. All right, let's get it knocked out. What it look like after. What's up, y'all? We is back with the Camry. About to show y'all the interior of it. We got it all knocked out, so let's go. Y'all can see we got the panels looking nice, floors looking good. Cup holder area came out real nice. Dusted everything down. We is back in business. Everything's looking good. All right, guys, y'all know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.